Hi, this is Ray Scott with Scott Finn and Associates, Pacific Sotheby's International Realty. Today is Friday, August 25th, 2016, and from the 27th floor of Bayside, I'm looking down at the hole being dug by Coastal Development on a project currently known only as Ash and Kettner. This is going to be a great, big, new project right at the base, at the foot of Little Italy. Right over there, you can see on Kettner, just going one block north on Kettner, and you're in Little Italy. Also, just to the east of this area is what we call the core Central District. And if I pan around this way, you're going to see this is Sapphire building right in front of me. Sapphire with 97 units, a boutique condo project. There you see the One America Plaza office building. And I'm looking over the Santa Fe train station to Electra and far beyond with the little red roof, Park Place, all Coastal Development buildings. And that's Park Place is at the apex of the Marina District, and I'm standing in the Columbia District. We're pretty excited about seeing some cranes in the ground and seeing some new construction. Like to keep these guys on track. Hurry up, guys. 2 years and we'll have a brand new 36-story condo project with townhomes.